Hi everyone, I'm Dr. Salyards and I'm the owner and founder of Refine Dermatology in Knoxville, Tennessee. Today I'm going to be answering some of the most common questions I get about lip filler, from what it's made of to how long it lasts to what you can expect during and after treatment. If you've ever been curious about enhancing your lips in a subtle but natural looking way, this Q&A is a great place to start. So let's start with a question I hear most often. What is lip filler actually made of? Most lip fillers are going to be composed of hyaluronic acid, or HA for short. This is a naturally occurring substance in the skin that helps retain moisture and volume. HA fillers integrate beautifully into the tissue, making them ideal for soft, hydrated, but natural looking lips. They're also temporary and reversible, which makes them a safe and flexible option. Next, are lip filler injections painful? This is a very common concern, and most patients find the procedure very tolerable. Before we begin, we apply a strong topical anesthetic to maximize comfort, and I also frequently use a small amount of local lidocaine injected into the inside of the upper lip. This is the most sensitive area. This is going to create a near complete numbness, and as a result, you may feel some pressure or brief pinches, but the treatment is quick, typically 10 to 15 minutes, and it's very manageable. Another important question is, can lip filler be dissolved or reversed? And yes, one of the major benefits of using an HA-based filler is that they can be dissolved using an enzyme called hyaluronidase. This allows us to adjust results, correct asymmetries, or completely remove filler if needed. It's one of the reasons HA fillers are considered extremely safe when performed by a trained and experienced injector. Now let's talk about swelling, because this is something everyone wants to know. How long does lip filler swelling last? Swelling is completely normal. It can range from mild to moderate depending on your anatomy and how much filler is used. Most swelling will improve dramatically within 24 to 48 hours, with subtle swelling settling in by around days 3 to 5. I always remind patients, don't judge your final result until at least 2 weeks after treatment. Which leads to the next question, will I bruise? Bruising can happen. Lips are naturally very vascular, and even with careful, precise technique, small bruises are not uncommon. They're usually mild and very short-lived, and avoiding alcohol, aspirin, ibuprofen, fish oil, and some other blood-thinning supplements for 48 hours before your appointment can help you reduce that risk. Arnica can also support the healing process afterward and reduce bruising. Another frequent question is, how many syringes will I need? This is really going to depend on your goal and your natural lip anatomy. Most first-time patients are going to start with 1 syringe. This will give you a soft, natural-looking enhancement. If someone has very thin lips or wants more noticeable volume, we may build gradually over multiple sessions using 1 to 2 syringes. My focus is always harmony and proportion. We want your lips to look balanced with your facial features. Next, how long does lip filler last? HA lip fillers can last anywhere from 6 to 12 months, where some people metabolize a little faster. Longevity is really going to depend on factors like your metabolism, the specific filler used, and the amount injected. Touch-ups once or twice per year can help maintain a soft but beautiful result. And finally, will my lips look natural? Absolutely. When the treatment is done thoughtfully, my goal is to enhance your lips' shape, not to create an overfilled or artificial appearance. We tailor the filler selection and technique to complement your anatomy so your lips look soft, balanced, and authentically you. If you're considering lip filler, the next best step is a consultation where we can discuss your goals, your anatomy, and the approach that will give you the most natural and beautiful result. I'm here to guide you through the process safely and help you feel confident every step of the way. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for our blog next month.